Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. If you're an Etsy print on demand seller and you want to massively increase your sales this year without wasting tons of money on ads, or even if you're yet to make your first sale, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how I made over $100,000 in just 3 months. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, we're all about building successful brands online for more money, more freedom and a better future. And currently we're all building our Etsy stores up. So if you need help with that, please subscribe. So Etsy is a great place to sell on throughout the year. However, there is one period where you can really crush it, okay? And as we are coming up to the best season of the year, I thought I'd film this quick video to hopefully inspire and motivate you guys to get going and, really maximize Q4. So let's dive in. But before I forget, if you, like this content and you're looking to learn how to really, grow or 5 or even 6-figure business on Etsy, then make sure you check out the 1 hour long masterclass I put together for free through the link below. So as I said, I wanted to share these results with you today because Q4 is coming and this is the absolute best time of the year for Etsy and e-commerce in general. So I'm just going to flip the screen and show you my results for last quarter, so last year's Q4 for me. Now I've been doing a lot of work this year on my store leading up to this quarter, and if all goes to plan, then it should definitely be a lot greater than last quarter's results. Now, as I said, the reason I'm showing you this is not to show off, but to just give you some inspiration for what can be achieved on Etsy using print on demand. But also talk about how I achieved these results and what you need to do to get the best possible results with your store in Q4. So let's dive a little deeper. I didn't get these results by chance. You can't just shove a load of products up just before October and expect them to suddenly take off, okay? This was the result of hard work and consistency throughout the whole year. That's Q1, Q2, and Q3. So, what I'm saying is that everything you do throughout the year will directly benefit you in the last quarter. However, there is still time to get in and really get some good sales, but you need to get started now if you want to make the most of Q4. Okay, so now we're in Q3. This is the time, this is the absolute time you need to be putting in the work to ride the wave for the end of the year. Okay, so what does this look like? There are 3 things that you really need to do right now in the lead up to Q4, and I'm going to share these tips with you today. Okay, so number 1, as well as uploading good products, you want to leverage the holidays and occasions in Q4 and begin to create and design products for these occasions. Okay, these holiday sees a huge boost in traffic on Etsy, with buyers looking to celebrate these occasions. And if you really want to maximize your sales on Etsy, you want to take advantage of this, okay? However, a lot of sellers make the mistake of putting these products out way too close to these occasions. They might put up, let's say, a few products before Halloween, for example, and expect them to sell. You definitely want to get these products up and done ahead of time. And you want to bear in mind how long your print on demand provider processing time is. So if it takes up to 2 weeks for someone to get a product from your print on demand provider, you need to be listing your products before then. You don't want to end up putting these products up around these occasions too late and missing out on the sales. Okay, number 2, you're going to need a plan of action, okay? How many new listings do you want to get up before Q4? This is crucial. You are going to make more money with more products live, with a but, okay, with a but, which we're going to get into a little bit. You will need a decent number of products up to get this kind of boost. You can't do it with just 10 products, okay? I would set a number you think is doable for yourself and then double it and aim to get that done for October. Work out what needs to be done to achieve this and how many you need to be listing a week from now until October, and then work towards it, okay? You'll be surprised at how many sellers think they've got loads of time, and then they see other people do really well over Q4, only to feel like, they've missed out, okay? Because they've not been doing it ahead of schedule. And again, there is definitely a correlation between the amount of products you have live and the amount of money you'll make with print on demand on Etsy. However, okay, which leads me to point number 3. You need to be choosing the best niches to go into. You can't just spray and pray. You know, we're aiming, and you should be aiming for quality over quantity. You know, there's hundreds of stores on Etsy with thousands of products barely making any sales. You know, I was actually speaking to someone the other day who actually had a load of designs already from, you know, different sites like Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, and they just moved all these designs onto Etsy. I think they had something like 800 designs that they moved over, okay? And they were barely making sales a day. And that was because this particular person just moved all of their products over, okay? They didn't check the keywords, they didn't check the markets, they didn't do any research, okay? And now they're going to have to go back through their listings and tweak everything if they want to, you know, really grow their business. You know, your time and effort will be absolutely wasted if you just put up a load of products without any proper research or evidence that they're going to sell, okay? You're just going to end up paying for dead listings, which you don't want. You know, as I always say, success on Etsy is just about matching the right product with the right buyer. If you can do that, you're going to make sales, okay? So let's recap. So number one, make sure you take advantage of all the events and stuff going on in Q4, okay? Number two, get a plan in place to get these listings up. And number three, make sure you're picking good niches. If you do that, you're going to maximize Q4. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. And, you know, if you want to learn more about, you know, finding the best type of niches to go into and the right way of how to really build a successful Etsy store with print-on-demand products for more money, more freedom, and a better future, then as I mentioned at the start of this video, feel free to check out my 1 hour long masterclass that takes you through the whole process. Links in the description below this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.